In this video, I'm going to show you how to set the paper size for a layout in AutoCAD so your drawings print correctly and look professional. Start by selecting the Layout tab you want to modify, since each layout can have its own individual paper settings. Next, go to the Output tab and locate the Plot panel, then click on Page Setup Manager. Inside the manager, choose the page setup you want to edit and click Modify to open the Page Setup dialog box. From there, look for the Paper Size section where you can select standard sizes like A4, A3, or any custom sheet size that fits your project requirements. After choosing the correct paper size, click OK to save the changes and then close the Page Setup Manager. Setting the proper paper size is important because it affects plotting scale, viewport appearance, and overall drawing presentation. Taking a few extra moments to verify these settings can prevent printing issues later and ensure your layouts appear exactly as intended. Thanks for watching and happy designing with AutoCAD.